G'day folks, today we're going to be unboxing the Bluetti EB55 537Wh portable power supply. Let's get right into it. Okay, opening the box up here. We start off with a Bluetti envelope, which surely must contain information about the device itself. Okay, we've got a warning, keep out of direct sunlight. We've got a Bluetti contact list, and we've got the user manual for the 537Wh portable power station. Get those things there. Inside this box here, we have the myriad of different plug interfaces from 12 volt to solar, to, I'm not 100% sure, another power supply cable, and the 240 volt charging cable. We've got a Velcro strap, and we've got the, no doubt, the power supply for the actual unit itself. There we go. Okay, so we'll put that to one side. And we'll pull apart the rest of the packaging, and it looks to be that down inside here, voila, get that out the way, we have the Bluetti device itself. So here we go. We've got an input under this side here for the various DC power supplies or the adapters. We've got DC output, so ranging from 5 volt 3 amp USBs to USB A's. On this side we've got outlets for 240 volt, and on this side we've also got a cigarette style plug for DC output, and a couple of smaller plugs for 10 amp outputs. Up on top here we've got a wireless charging section, which is a great little handy addition if you want to just drop your phone onto there, providing it's chargeable in that way. Then there you go. Quite a compact little unit. Doesn't weigh all that much, probably around the 8 kilo mark, but look, 537 watt hour device. Look out for the review. We'll take a look at it later. Thank you.